New Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip smartphones are often launched by Samsung just before the fall season. Currently in their fourth iteration, foldable phones have successfully supplanted the once popular Galaxy Note series. Without a doubt, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will join the top-of-the-line Galaxy S23 Ultra as the company's most expensive smartphone this year. While the smartphones have mostly retained their appearance year after year, Samsung has consistently improved its foldable phone formula. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is already being painted as Samsung's most admired foldable yet, according to rumors. The internal hardware continues receiving evident upgrades, including as more powerful sources and better cameras this year as well. According to Samsung's usual launch schedule, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was introduced on August 10, 2022. The Z Fold 3 was also revealed in August, however it was closer to the end of the month. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will probably be unveiled somewhere between mid and late August of this year if Samsung stays true to form. However, a May 3 report from the LEC, a well-known Korean source for Samsung-related news, said that the firm may be contemplating a 2 to 3 week launch window. According to a different Korean magazine, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be on sale on July 26. This suggests that the device may launch in July rather than August. You don't have any official information regarding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and it's expected that sales will start a week or two after the unveiling. In the past, Samsung's foldable phones with a booklet-style design have always featured a glaring gap between the two sides when folded. You should expect it to trickle in a few months before the anticipated August launch, but we do have some rumors that hint to various upgrades. However, a news source suggests that the next Galaxy Z Fold may differ from this. According to reports, the business is using a teardrop-shaped hinge similar to that seen on the Motorola Razr 2022 and Oppo Find N2 smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.